Okay, we have sweet logo, the P, and this ball marker goes inside this divot tool. Very, very cool. Torch this so I get a little bit of color. I got Jamie nearby in case I fuck this up. So see how it's starting to turn color already.
It's pretty saucy.
Pretty saucy. Look at that. Start sanding down the color.
Get it? The hardest thing is starting it. And we're gonna take this little doohickey and then we're gonna loop over it. You know, after doing 30 of those too, my fingertips were raw.